The day is near, the sky grows dark, shadows rise from ash and bark. But even now, declares the Lord, if you return, you'll be restored. Tear your hearts, not garments torn. Grace will meet the spirit worn. Sound the trumpet, call the fast. In brokenness we rise at last. For He is gracious, slow to anger. Mercy flows where hearts return. He pours His spirit on all flesh, and sons and daughters shall be blessed. We are the remnants called to stand. Revival rushing through the land. In the wilderness, the locusts fed. Hope lay buried with the dead. But He will give back what was lost. Joy reborn, no matter the cost. All the while I pour out my spirit on all people. Your sons will speak, your daughters all the same. Old men shall dream, young men shall see. For He is gracious, slow to anger. Mercy flows where hearts return. He pours His spirit on all flesh, and sons and daughters shall be blessed. He shakes the earth, He runs the sky, and lifts His people one more time. Sound the trumpet, sound the call. He is near, He is Yah. He is Yah.